Hey guys, it's Airsoft today, and now we're going to be doing an unboxing, well, sort of an unboxing from a Rattle. First, we have a Lancer Tactical M4 Molly chest rig, plate carrier. Well, kind of plate carrier, not really, but I got all these off of Air Rattle, and I just got home, and my dad had unboxed, well, not really unboxed, took them out of the paper, and it's got your M4 pouches right here, belt buckle, and your water hydration pouch in here. Next we have a ambidextrous pistol holster for Strike Systems. I'm gonna be looking forward to trying that out. Next we have a combat belt. It has the extra pistol magazine holsters on it, so I got that to go with that for my. Well, this isn't. This is and this is the free gift I got with it. It's a Springer. And it's a free gift I got with it. If I can. It comes with a light. That doesn't work. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. So that's basically all I got. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe for more. See ya.